Hey guys, this is James here and welcome to a new DaVinci Resolve tutorial. This will be a very quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your clips in DaVinci Resolve very easily, very quickly, and how you can swap the track in Resolve quickly. Suppose if you want to swap all the track from V1 track to V2 track, how you can do that? Let's find it out. So to do that, you need to go to the index panel. So here beside the effects panel, you'll see index panel. Just click here, and under index panel, you'll see three different tabs. The first one is edit index, track, and then markers. So we are going to work here on this tab, which is track. From this tab, you can change the color of your track clips. Suppose if you want to change the colors of V1 track clips at once, how you can do that? Just right click here on V1 and then change track color, and from here you can choose any color if you want. So I'm just applying yellow color, so you can see the color have been changed. Again, if I want to change the color of V2, right click, change color. You can set a color of your clips from here. For V3, again, change color. I'm just selecting maybe pink, right? So I have changed the colors. For the audio, you can do the same, right click and then click change color, and from here you can change the color. So that is how you can change the color at once. And now let's see how you can swap the track position. Suppose you want to swap the V2 track and you want to place the V2 tracks here on top of your V3 track. How you can swap that? Just go here, click and drag this V3 track in between V1 and V2. So if you just release it here, you'll see the track will be swapped here on the timeline. It's very easy, right? Again, if I just want to swap the position, I can click and drag it here. It will change the position of the tracks here on my timeline very easily. So it's a quick fix if you need to swap the clips track in Resolve, and also if you want to change the clip colors at once in the DaVinci Resolve, you can use the index panel, and from there you can use the track tab. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn DaVinci Resolve for video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.